So if you have while connecting error like this in make.com, then you have to go back to Google Cloud, click on clients, scroll down, and here you're gonna see authorized redirect URLs. Here you're gonna have to add some new URLs. Here are the URLs that I have outputted. These are the main ones. I'm just gonna copy all of those and paste one by one over here. Make sure you don't have any spaces. I'm gonna paste all those URLs down as a comment in the video. Click Save. So if you now return over here in Google, click Show Advanced Settings. And here now you're gonna need client ID and client secret. For that, go back to your Google Cloud, click on Clients. And here you're gonna find your client ID. I'm gonna copy it. And then I'm gonna click on my client secrets, then you're gonna see I have a client secret over here. I can't copy it. I have to create a new one. So now I can copy this new one, disable the old one. So now I can delete this old one. And click sign in with Google. Here it's gonna give you a warning sign. Don't worry, it's just make.com. Click go to integromat.com. It is old make.com URL. Now I'm gonna continue, give access, and click continue one more time. Google is giving a lot of warnings because app was just created by someone unknown for Google, but as only we are using this app, there is no point to be scared. And now you're connected to your Google.